Okay, so this is the chapter we were doing in our last class, surface area and volume. Let me start with it. Surface area and volume. Why it is not writing? Okay. So in our last class actually we have discussed about cylinder, volume of cylinder we have discussed in our last class. Okay, so that was exercise 13.6. We have discussed about volume of cylinder, volume of cylinder. Sometimes what happens is this writing pad doesn't write that much well. Volume of cylinder. Okay, so anyone tell me? So that was pi r. Why it is not writing properly? Square h, pi r square h. Okay, this was the volume of cylinder we have discussed. Now in this class we will be discussing about volume of cone. Okay, so now we will be discussing about this thing, volume of cone. Now when we come to the formula for volume of cone, see if you are having a cylinder like we have studied in our last class, if I'm, see, this is a cylinder and this is the cone we are having. Can you see any similarity between the cylinder and cone? Is there any similarity?
No,
अगर
sir.
हम बात करते हैं, yes we can form volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. It is 1/3. See, pi r square h, when we are talking about pi r square h, it completely, pi r square h is the volume of what? It is the volume of cylinder. But when we are saying 1/3 pi r square h, why I am saying 1/3? See, if I am having one cylinder, देखो मेरे पास एक cylinder है अगर यहाँ पे, एंड वन कोन, एक कोन है मेरे पास लाइक दिस. ओके, दिस कोन आई एम हैविंग. सी, बोथ आर हैविंग सेम रेडियस. इसका भी रेडियस आर है, इसका भी रेडियस आर है. इट इज हैविंग हाइट एच, इट इज ऑल्सो हैविंग हाइट एच. नाउ इफ वट यू विल डू, if you will fill this cone up to this part, means पूरा fill करना है, this is known as brim. okay, हम इसको ना brim बोलते हैं. brim is what? brim is the end part, this corner, this edge part. okay, this is known as brim. So if we are filling this cone up to this brim and we are emptying it to a cylinder, तो जब हम एक बार इसको करेंगे ना, so it will be filled only 1/3. ये 1/3 fill होगा. Then second time if I will fill, it will be filled up to here. So in how many times, how many times I have to empty this cone to fill this one? 3 times, है ना? You can do this experiment. See, you can do it on your own. Just make a cylinder and a cone with same radius. You can use any मटेरियल कोई यूज कर सकते हो. यू हैव टू मेक अ सिलेंडर एंड अ कोन विद सेम रेडियस एंड सेम हाइट. एक कोन बनाना है, एक सिलेंडर बनाना है. यू कैन यूज द पेपर. देखो, एक पेपर यूज करके ना सिलेंडर बनाना बहुत सिंपल होता है. बाय फोल्डिंग अ पेपर यू कैन फॉर्म अ सिलेंडर लाइक दिस. जस्ट कीप इट लाइक दिस ऑन योर सरफेस. ठीक है. देन फॉर्म अ कोन विद द सेम रेडियस. एक कोन बना सकते हो तुम सेम रेडियस से. देन फिल सम सैंड. कुछ सैंड इस कोन के अंदर फिल कर दो. फिल सम सैंड इनसाइड इट, है ना? मिट्टी ऊपर तक फिल करना है, अप टू दिस ब्रिम, मीन्स अप टू एज. देन एम्प्टी इट हियर. देन सेकेंड टाइम एम्प्टी इट. देन थर्ड टाइम. यू विल सी व्हेन यू विल empty the cone 3 times inside this cylinder, you will see it will be completely filled up to the brim. ये completely fill हो जाएगा. So this is what we are saying, that volume of cone is 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. 1/3 part Okay, so volume of cone is 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. We can say it is 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, now coming to some question part. If we are given, simple question I am taking first, suppose I am given with a cone. Okay, this is the cone I am given with. It is having radius r and height. See, this is the height I am taking. It is h. Okay, I am saying the radius is 7 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. So, can you find the volume of the cone? What will be the volume now? Okay, see, if we are finding the volume, then what we can do? We will be taking 1/3. It will be 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, 1/3 pi r square h. That means 1/3 multiply by 22/7, multiply it with radius. Radius is, we are having 7, then again 7, then height is 20. It is 20. So 7 to 7 cancel out. Okay, 22 into 7, it will be 154. 154 multiply by 2. 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, and 2 1 ja 3. So it will be 308. So you will be getting 3080 divided by 3 centimeter cube. This you will be getting 3080 divided by 3 centimeter cube. The question is, if we are given with volume of cone, this time is given to you 1570 centimeter cube. 1570 centimeter cube, and its height is given 15 centimeter. Then what will be its radius? Radius क्या आएगा? Okay, see, we are given with the volume, so that means what we can simply keep 1/3 pi r square h equals to 1570. Okay, so it will be, we'll put some values here. 1/3 pi 22/7, then r square, then multiply it with h. H is 15 and equals to 1570. So r square will be equal to 1570 multiply by 3 multiply by 7 and divide it by 22 multiply by 15. Whatever is there in multiplication, it will come to division ना. जो multiply में है divide में आएगा, जो divide में है multiply. So now we will cancel out. हाँ, 3 1 ja 3 5 ja. Okay, then 5 1 ja, then 5 3 ja 15.
सर
Okay,
314.
सर 5 लेना है सर.
सो वी विल टेक पाई. मैं इधर साइड कर देता हूँ क्योंकि ये पाई की वैल्यू हम लोगों को क्वेश्चन में दी हुई है. पाई इज गिवन एज 3.14. सो इफ इट इज गिवन ना 3.14, देन यू विल सोल्व अकॉर्डिंगली. सो 1/3 3.14, देन मल्टीप्लाई इट विद r square, मल्टीप्लाई इट विद h 15, then it will be equal to 1570. So it will be r square will be equal to 1570 multiply by 3, then divide by 3.14 multiply by 15. So 3 5 ja. Now when you remove the decimal, you will get 100. Here you will get 100. Okay, so 5 1 ja, then 5 3 ja 15, 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja 20,
14.
3 1 4 3 1 4 cancel out. So you will get r square will be equal to 100. So that means r will be equal to 10 centimeter. So that is r equal to 10 centimeter. Now one thing, if you are given with a triangle, suppose I am giving you one triangle, this one. Wait. Okay, suppose this is the triangle you are given. What is happening with this writing pad? Okay, this is the triangle you are given with. Can you form a cone by using a triangle by rotating it? क्या रोटेट करने से अगर हम एक ट्राइंगल को रोटेट करते हैं तो क्या हमें कॉनिकल शेप मिलती है? Will we get?
No, sir.
Okay, this is the triangle. Suppose I am having triangle ABC. I am saying this A, this is A, this is B, and this is C. This ABC is the triangle, and what I am doing, I am putting my finger over this point A and I am rotating this one completely. So that means what? What this will be? This will rotate like this or not? Will you see
Yes,
like
sir.
this it will rotate? Will it form a image like cone? क्या ये cone की तरह बनेगा? If we are rotating, suppose I am saying this 5 centimeter side, this is 5 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter, okay, this is 13 centimeter. So if I am rotating this cone, if I am rotating this one completely from by using this 12 centimeter side को लिया और 5 centimeter वाली को मैं rotate कर रहा हूँ. See, this 12 centimeter is kept fixed. ये fix है, it is fixed, and I am rotating it on its 5 centimeter side. So what will happen? Just see, if you will say that height will be, height of the cone will be 13, it is the slant height, no? It is the slant one, slanted, see. So there is some difference. What this 5 will become? If I am rotating this 5 centimeter side like this, what it will become?
It will be radius.
It will be radius, that's correct. Radius will be 5 centimeter. Okay. Then what this 12 will become? ये 12 क्या आएगा? Anyone? What this 12 will be? Yes, it will be height. 12
It will be
centimeter.
height, sir.
It will be height. See, एक चीज सिंपल है. If you are having any cone, suppose I am saying this triangle you are having. Suppose any triangle you are having. This is triangle PQR. And what you are doing? You are rotating by putting your finger at. See, it's like we are rotating our compass. जैसे हम अपने compass को rotate करते हैं ना, it is the same like we rotate it. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
If we are rotating our compass, compass को rotate करते हैं, then what happens? See, we fix this one. हम ये वाली चीज fix रखते हैं. That means it will work as a height for the cone. Then this will rotate. It will form a circle. So that means this side will form a radius. Okay, and this one will be the slant height. So if now I am saying I have rotated this cone about triangle about this centimeter, 12 centimeter height. I am getting this one height as 12 centimeter, radius as 5. So what will be the volume? Can anyone tell me? Suppose you are, let me see. See, it is 1 upon 3. If I am putting the value, that means 1. See, 1 upon 3 multiply pi, then it will be r square. So r square is what? It is 5 multiply 5. Okay, that means, and multiply it with 12. Okay, so it is 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, so 5 5 ja, 25 4 ja, 100 pi. So you are getting 100 pi, and your answer is correct, 100 pi centimeter cube. So if you are putting the value of pi 3.14, then you will get 314 centimeter cube. Okay. Okay. Now one more question is there. See, if I am saying that I am having a triangle. Suppose this is the triangle I am having. Okay, and this one. okay, and this triangle is having this side A, B, C. This side is 10 centimeter and this one is 8 centimeter, and I'm rotating it on BC side. This time I'm rotating it on BC. That means I'm keeping this BC as fixed. This AB will be rotated like this. See, I'm rotating it about BC. BC के about उसको rotate करना है. You have to rotate. That means BC will be fixed and AB will be like this. So find the volume of the cone so formed. What will be the volume?